In this video, we're going to use reference angles to evaluate sine and cosine functions. It says use a reference angle to write cosine 43 pi over 36 in terms of the cosine of a positive acute angle in radians. So they basically want us to find the reference angle for 43 pi over 36 and use that along with cosine to find an equivalent expression. So we're going to take 43 pi over 36, find the reference angle. To do that, I got to figure out which quadrant it's in. Well, I know that 3 pi over 2 with a denominator of 36 would actually be, so we'd multiply by 18. So 3 times 18 would be 54 pi over 36. So I am actually in quadrant, see that's right, yes. I'm in quadrant 3. 43 pi over 36 is past 36 pi over 36, which would be just pi. So we're actually in quadrant 3. So now that I know what quadrant we're in, I know I'm going to subtract 180 degrees from that. So I'm going to take 43 pi over 36, and I'm going to subtract out 36 pi over 36, which is 180 degrees. Take the absolute value. And that gives me a reference angle of 7 pi over 36. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to say that cosine of 43 pi over 36, which this is in quadrant 3, and that makes the whole thing negative. Okay, I want to make sure that I know that that's negative. I want to set that equal to cosine of 7 pi over 36, but I need to make them equivalent expressions because cosine is 7 pi over 36 because 7 pi over 36 is in quadrant 1. Cosine is positive there, and right now this is a negative value that I have here. Well, I just needed to offset it by throwing a negative on the leading coefficient, and now I have two equivalent expressions, but I have a positive acute angle in radians for my cosine term. So this would be your solution.